Okay, students, thanks for logging into IXL. If you're watching this video can help you figure out exactly what you're doing. So once you log in, it should bring you to this recommendations page, but you don't need to stay here. You can go on up here to this tab and click on the science icon, bam, all right, and that brings you to, it might bring you to a general page, but if it brings you to that, you're going to click on the 7th grade tab. It automatically brought me here because I'd been there once before. And once we are in the 7th grade tab, we are going to look for the ecology section. Here's the ecology section, and today's assignment is M.3, how does matter move in food chains? Okay, and you can see it's starred there to help you find it easily. Okay, so you're going to click on that to get started. It will bring you to this page. Now this one has a challenge of getting 6 in a row, and so that is your homework for today. I had actually already done one a little bit earlier, so I only have 5 more to go with this account. You only have to do one of the challenges. So once you do one challenge, you are good for this homework. You do not need to do both of the challenges if you do not want to. Of course, if you do want to, it is good for you to do things over and over. It helps you to remember and to cement ideas in your head. Let's look at this one together. This says a producer is the organism at the base or beginning of a food chain. Many producers use photosynthesis to make their own food. This food becomes the matter that moves up the food chain. Use the information in the food chain to fill in the blanks below. Okay, I've got a lichen here, a brown lemming, a Baffin Island wolf, and a polar bear. And there are arrows going from left to the right. Okay, matter begins to move through this food chain when the blank, a producer, is eaten by the blank, a primary consumer. Okay, well, I know that a producer is something that makes its own food, and I don't know what a lichen is, but I do know that these guys here are all mammals and they have to eat things to get energy. So I'm going to drag lichen here, because that's a producer. It makes its own food. And then it's eaten by the blank, a primary consumer. Well, I know a consumer is something that eats another thing. I'm not sure about primary consumer, but I can guess that primary is kind of like prime, like the first. So I'm going to guess the brown lemming. Let's see if that is right. Haha, it is right. So my assumptions were correct. Okay, so there you have it. If you need more help, you of course can email your teacher or talk to him the next day and we can figure it out. Thanks for watching and good luck with your homework.